I'm Zach, and I'm standing here with Chris Niemann and Chad McCarthy in Chris's beautiful new kitchen. Chris, thank you so much for having us over today.
Oh, it's a pleasure. You know, this whole experience has been great from start to finish. When Joe first came to give us an estimate, we did the online stuff first, and then he came, measured. You guys were dead on with timelines. Communication was great. Joe would also always call me with updates of where we were, when cabinets were coming in, when they would be here. And Chad and Eric did a phenomenal job.
I really appreciate that. You were as well a pleasure to work for as a client, and product came out absolutely beautiful. I definitely enjoyed working in your home. What was the favorite part other than the end result?
The end result is great, but just seeing the progress and the trim work is amazing, and the tile work, so happy with it. You know, it looks amazing.
Well, and
it's like my dream kitchen.
That's exactly what we want to hear, and it definitely brightens our day to hear that as well.
I mean, remodeling projects, there's always some sort of complication or something like that something needs to get solved. Were there any issues throughout this project, and how was your experience going through that?
There really weren't that many issues. Everything went smoothly. The only thing was we ordered decorative, side panels after the fact. So that kind of, delayed a little bit, but that was on our part when they started installing the cabinets, and we saw that it looked so much better with the decorative pieces. So we had to order those, and that was a leeway time. But other than that, everything was on track.
What was it like having our team here in your home? I think we were here about a month, start to finish. Was it disruptive? Were you guys able to utilize your house the way you normally would? How did that all go?
No disruptions whatsoever, besides not having a kitchen. You know, we kind of made a small makeshift kitchen downstairs, but no interruptions. You know, everything was clean every day. After they left, they were sweeping, vacuuming, doing everything. We felt they were kind of part of the family. You know, the dog loves them. You know, they're very friendly and courteous. So it was great to have them here.
Well, thank you so much, Chris. I mean, we appreciate you putting your trust in us to build the kitchen for you, but even having us come back and doing a video is just amazing, and we really appreciate it.
Not a problem. Solid work all the way around from start to finish, and we will recommend ZN to friends and colleagues around the area.
That's awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's been a pleasure.